grinding machine, built for high-precision concentric machining. It handles workpieces up to 300 millimeters in diameter and 200 millimeters in length with ease. Equipped with 4 spindles, to 15 kilowatts OD and to 8.5 kilowatts ID, it grinds OD, ID, faces, and chamfers in a single setup. Precision is guaranteed with 0.001 millimeter linear and 0.01 degrees rotary accuracy. The high-speed ID spindle, reaching 24,000 to 60,000 RPM, ensures superior performance. A direct drive turret with 150 Newton-meters torque delivers